thanks. In the last 5 years, city officials say they've completed more than 300 miles of neighborhood street improvements.
This year, a record $31 million will be invested in communities. City officials announced construction projects for 2019 today. Wayne 15's Kaitor K is live at McKinney Avenue and Hannah Street with more. Kaitor.
These two streets are some of the busiest places in the Pettit-Rudisill neighborhood, and this area will see a lot of improvements this year. Sidewalks like this one right here will be repaired, alleys reconstructed, and roads resurfaced. The Pettit-Rudisill neighborhood is one of Mayor Tom Henry's top priorities this year, which is why he announced his record $31 million neighborhood improvement plan there.
A lot of the work that we're going to be doing this year, 2019, is going to be in this area. Blocks and blocks of streets and alleys and sidewalks are going to be taken care of in this area because they're one of the areas that they've been waiting the longest. Councilman Glenn Hines is pleased to see his district getting some spotlight.
There's a lot of focus on downtown, and you see all the buildings, but the neighborhoods is the core, is the infrastructure concerns pretty much are here, and they're addressing those, so we're really glad to see that.
Maple Crest Road between State Boulevard and Cheer Road will see the addition of 2 new travel lanes, a trail, a sidewalk, landscaping, and lighting. The Goshen Road project will begin this year with improvements between State Boulevard and Cambridge Boulevard. The 2-year project will add turn lanes, pedestrian infrastructure, ADA ramps, and drainage improvements. It will also add a roundabout at the 5-way intersection of Goshen Road, Sherman Boulevard, and Lillian Avenue. The city will have projects in more than 190 neighborhoods. This year's $31 million investment is $1 million more than last year. For a full list of major projects being done in 2019, find this story on Wayne.com. Live on Hannah and McKinney, Kaitor K, Wayne 15 News.